Okay, real talk. Ladies, have you ever ordered a wig online, got super excited, opened that package, and then just stared like, what is this? Yeah, same. We're not doing that in 2025, okay? Hey, what's up, beautiful people? I'm Jennifer Angular, and welcome back to my channeler, if you're new here. If you're and welcome to this little corner of the internet where we talk wigs, beauty, real stuff, and a little bit of chaos, honestly. If you're a wig girly or just getting started, you are absolutely in the right place. Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description, so if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $10 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5. Brown and Blonde Highlight Wear and Go Glueless Wig. So today we're talking about that wig every girl needs in 2025. Like, seriously. It's the Brown and Blonde Highlight Wear and Go Glueless Wig, and let me tell you, this one is so beginner-friendly. It's almost disrespectful. I mean, no glue, no plucking, no meltdown. Just throw it on and go. Okay, so this is the wig I've been rocking lately. It's from Amazon. I'll drop the link below, but girl, this color combo, the brown and blonde highlights, it's giving. Like, fall brunch, cute selfies, date night energy all in one. This is the Encounter Brown and Blonde Glueless Layered Synthetic Wig. Long name, but super easy vibe. Like, let's be honest for a sec. Not all of us have time to bleach knots, pluck hairlines, and melt lace for 30 minutes. Sometimes you just want to look cute and be on time, right? This wig? Literally wear and go. It comes pre-layered, with this little swoopy bang that just frames your face so nice. And the color? It's not too yellow, not too ashy, just that perfect soft highlight moment. And boom, you're cute! Like, hello, main character energy. Number 4. Density Highlight Wig Human Hair. Okay, so, real quick, before we jump in, let's just break it down. 'Cause honestly, I used to see all these density numbers and be like, wait, is this a math class or? A density wig just means how full the wig is, like how thick it feels. And when you add highlights, whew, it gives volume and dimension. It's a 150% density highlight wig with real human hair, so it's soft, it moves, and the color blend, y'all, it's giving salon without the salon price. So I found this beauty on Amazon. It's from a brand called Earl, and let me tell you, I was a little nervous because, ordering wigs online can be, a gamble. But girl, the second I took it out the box, I was like, okay, this might be it. The highlights are chef's kiss. Like that warm honey brown blended into the dark base. It frames your face so nicely, and it looks way more expensive than it actually is. You know what I love most about this wig? It's just easy. Like, as someone who doesn't always have time to lay lace or do the whole install process, it gives me the look without the stress. And I think every girl deserves that. A wig that makes you feel pretty, confident, put together, without doing the absolute most. Number 3, Beauty Forever Balayage Brown Bye-Bye Knots Glueless Wigs. So I ordered this wig off Amazon, and honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect. Like, I saw the balayage color and thought, okay, this could either be really cute or really crunchy. But y'all, she's cute. Like, real cute. The balayage brown blend? It's soft, natural, and it melts into that warm caramel tone that just, it flatters every skin tone, frar. And when I say no knots, I mean like, it actually comes with a pre-bleached, clean hairline. I didn't have to do anything but cut the lace. Okay, but like, what even is a bye-bye knots wig? I was confused too. So basically this wig is glueless, right? Which means no glue, no gel, no mess. But it also has this upgraded pre-bleached lace that makes it look so natural. No white dots, no ashy parting, none of that. And the lace? Girl, it's HD, like, it disappears into your skin. I put mine on and I was like, wait, where is the lace? I had to double check in the mirror. Honestly, I feel like this wig is made for us girls who just don't always have time to do the most. You want to look good. You want to feel confident. But sometimes, you just need something that's easy. And this wig, it gives ease and beauty. I put it on, looked in the mirror, and I was like, wow, I look like I actually got my life together today. Number 2, Mentor Glueless Wigs Human Hair. Okay, so straight out of the box, this wig had me like, wait a minute. The lace is soft, the hairline is already pre-plucked like, I didn't even touch it. And the baby hairs? It's like they knew I needed a break. It's glueless, right? So you literally just pop it on. I threw it on with just the elastic band and boom snatched. No glue, no drama. This one is a 13x4 frontal, which means you can part it any way you want, middle part, side part, no part. Do you boo? And the texture? It's this natural, silky straight but like not stiff, you know? It moves. It has body. It feels like mine. Oh, and it's 100% human hair. So yes, girl, you can flat iron it, curl it, add waves, whatever your mood is giving. You ever just wear a wig and feel like you again? Like, not the tired, stressed out version of you, but the I'm that girl and I know it you? This wig gave me that feeling. I didn't have to fight with it. I didn't feel overwhelmed. I just put it on and exhaled. And sometimes that's really all we need, something easy that makes us feel beautiful. Number 1, Glueless Wigs Virgin. Human hair pre-plucked. So when I first opened the box, not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting much. But baby, the lace? Soft. The color? It's giving expensive balayage. And the hairline? Already pre-plucked like. Thank you for doing the work for me. And it's glueless, which is like my favorite thing ever. I don't know about you, but I am not in the mood to be gluing lace down at 8 a.m. just to go to Target. This one is 100% virgin human hair, so it's soft, soft. Like, you touch it, and it feels like your real hair after a deep condition and a silk press. It's a 13x4 lace frontal, so you can part it however you want. I did a middle part, but girl side part, low bun, high pony, you can do whatever. And the color weight, let me turn my head, do y'all see the highlights? It's like sun-kissed without stepping outside. Look, I just want to say this real quick. Wigs aren't just about looking good. Sometimes it's about feeling like yourself again, you know? Like when life is lifing and your hair ain't cooperating, being able to throw on something cute and feel pretty, that's power, sis. That's therapy. And if you've been overwhelmed by wigs before, this is your sign to try Glueless. This one makes it so easy, it's almost funny. So yeah, those are my top picks for 2025. I'm seriously so excited for this year because wig tech is finally catching up with what we need, easy, cute, and ready to wear. Let me know in the comments which one you're thinking of trying. Or if you've already found your holy grail wig, girl, drop that name. Help a sister out. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more beauty tips, and hit that bell so you don't miss my next wig review. It's gonna be juicy. Y'all. Alright, stay glowing, stay confident, and remember you deserve to feel cute with or without the lace. Love you guys. Bye.